Hello guys. In this video we are going to see how to use Microsoft Math Solver Android app. First of all, thank you all for subscribing my channel. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button. Then tap the notification bell to get new video update. Let's get into the video. Install the Microsoft Math Solver app. It is available in Google Play Store. Developed by Microsoft Corporation. And it is a free app. It has 4.5 star rating, and its size varies with devices. For my phone it is 23 MB. It is suitable for all devices including low RAM smartphones. In this app, we can scan or draw the math problems to get step-by-step solution, videos and practice problems. The app provides help with a variety of problems including arithmetic, algebra, trigonometry, calculus, statistics, and other topics using an advanced AI-powered math solver. Here we have to select the language. We can see that a lot of languages are given. Select the suitable language for your convenience. There are three methods of giving input. They are writing an equation on screen as we naturally do on paper. Next one is scan the printed or handwritten math problem. Last method is type and edit using advanced scientific calculator. Here we can try some example problems. It instantly recognizes the problem and help us to solve it with step-by-step explanations, interactive graphs, similar problems from the web, and online video lectures. We can also scan the own handwritten or printed math problem. Stretch the screen to scan large equations or expressions. Flashlight option is given to take clear images. We can also import the images from gallery. Let's capture the image. It will take few seconds to recognize the problem. It will provide interactive step-by-step explanations and graph for our equation. In graph, domain, zeros, range, asymptotes, monotonicity are shown. Then it also has this feature that will give you a little quiz. We can watch the video lectures related to that problem. Here I am using Google Chrome for better experience. There are a lot of videos given which are related to our problems. The videos explains how to solve the problems in simple ways. The videos also explain the other methods of solving same question. Then, the app will suggest some related concepts to our problem that we have entered. Then, the worksheet from web provides some example problems to solve. It will brought us to next level of solving problems. The last feature is that we can share the problem to PC. It also supports web. That's all. Okay, we next go to another method of entering the problem. It is simple method we can just write on the screen, like how we write on the paper. This method will show the same solutions and suggestions as same as the first method. The eraser is provided to correct our mistake. The undo button and delete button also provided to correct the writing error. At the top right corner of solution slide, the share button and bookmark button is present. That's all. Next method of entering the problem is advanced scientific calculator. Here, we have all operations of scientific calculator. It is very easy and simple to use. We have to type the problem. It will also provide the same solution and suggestions as we got from first and second method. At the top left corner we have notes section. In that they provide some example problems to solve. Bookmarks, history, quiz tabs are available in this section. At the top right corner we have settings. In that, we can share the app to friends. We can change the language. The appearance option have the dark mode feature. We can select the start screen, any one of the three methods of entering the problem. It is the best math solver app I have ever seen. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the notification bell to get latest video notification. See you in next video. Thank you.